Hi kids, today we're going to have fun learning how to add 1 in math. Adding 1 means we are making a number just 1 bigger. Let's start with 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Great job. Now let's try adding 1 to 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Awesome. See how the number gets bigger? Let's keep going. 3 plus 1 equals 4. You're doing amazing. Want to try more? Let's do a few more together. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Now, let's break it down by using apples. We have 2 apples. If we add 1 more apple, how many apples do we have now? 2 apples plus 1 apple equals 3 apples. Let's keep going. Now we have 3 apples. If we add 1 more apple, how many apples do we have? 3 apples plus 1 apple equals 4 apples. See how easy it is? Every time we add 1 more, we just count 1 more apple. Let's do 1 more. Now we have 4 apples. If we add 1 more apple, how many? 4 apples plus 1 apple equals 5 apples. 0 plus 1 equals 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 1 plus 7 equals 8. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Good job, kiddos! You just learned how to add 1 in math. Now you know how to make numbers bigger just by adding 1 more. Keep practicing and soon you'll be a math superstar.